Good day, class. Our topic for today on pre-calculus is all about circle. So let's have the general equation of the circle. So we have two kinds. So first one, we have x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. And the other one, we have ax squared plus ay squared plus d prime x plus e prime y plus f prime equal to 0. And take note, a is not equal to 0. Okay, so now let's have the standard forms of equation of a circle. So let's have the first one. We have center at 0, 0 or center at the origin. So the equation is x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. And the other one, we have center at h and k. We have the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared equal to r squared. So we're going to use these two standard equation to solve the center and the radius. Okay, so now let's have example number 1. We need to find the center and the radius of the circle.
Okay, so let's have an example. We have x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. So first thing we do is we need to isolate those who has the same variable. So ikukulong natin sila or i-enclose natin sila sa parentheses. Okay, so unahin natin yung x. So we have x squared minus 2x plus, so yung y naman, we have y squared minus 2y. Since we have constant number dito na 7, ilalabas natin siya. From negative, magiging positive 7. Okay? Next, ano yung susunod na step? We need to find the third term. Okay? So, gagawin natin siyang perfect square trinomial. Okay? Yung each group na in-enclose natin sa parentheses. So, let's rewrite. So, x squared minus 2x plus yung hinahanap nating third term plus y squared minus 2y plus yung hinahanap nating third term, then 7. Okay? So, paano natin nahanapin ngayon si third term? Okay, so ganito po. Puntahan natin yung ating middle term. Okay, so dito sa x, yung middle term natin. I-divide daw natin itong middle term natin by 2. And then, yung magiging product nila, i-squared naman natin. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Then, 1 squared ay 1. So, yun yung third term natin for ito sa grupo ng x natin. Since nagdagdag tayo ng 1 dito sa x natin, dito sa first group, we need to add also 1 outside. Okay? Para maging equal sila. Kasi nagdagdag tayo sa loob ng sign, equal sign, syempre, magdagdag din tayo sa labas. Okay? Next tayo. Kung anong ginawa sa x group, ganun din ang gagawin sa y group. Okay? Check si middle term, divide by 2, then squared. Okay? So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Then, 1 squared is equal to 1. Okay? So, 1 ngayon yung third term ng y naman. Since nagdagdag ng 1 dito, we need to add also 1 sa outside ng equal natin. And then, simplify natin. Okay? So, simplify natin ngayon to. So, 7 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then, let's rewrite ito. So, we have x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then, plus y squared minus 2y plus 1 equal to 9. So, next, ano yung dapat natin gawin? Okay? So, For this one, pwede na natin siyang i-transform into the standard form. Paano natin siya gagawin? So, i-square root lang po natin to. Okay? Kukunin lang natin yung square root ng dalawang grupo na to. So, unahin natin yung x. So, open parenthesis, square root of x squared is x. And then, copy the sign of the middle term, which is negative. Square root of the third term, which is 1. Then, squared. Plus, square root of, okay, open parenthesis muna. Then, square root of y squared is y. And then, copy the sign of the middle term. Then, square root of the last term, which is 1. Then, squared. Then, copy natin na lang yung 9. Okay? So, dito pa lang, makikita na natin, okay, pwede na nating ma-identify yung value ng center natin. Okay? So, for our center, okay, so for our center, for h and k, so for h, lagi niyang kasama si x. Okay, eto. Okay? So, from negative, yung opposite niya, pag nilabas natin, magiging positive siya. So, yan na yung x natin or yung h natin. For k naman, si k, lagi po kasama ni k si y. So, from negative 1, pag nilabas naman natin, magiging positive 1 naman siya. So, this is our center na. Okay? How about the radius? Okay. So, for the radius, hindi po siya 9 na agad. Okay? Kasi kung babalikan natin yung ating standard form, ito pong nasa labas na to ay r squared pa. So, paano natin makukuha si r lang? Okay? So, para makuha si r lang or si radius lang, we need to square root. Okay? Yung value na nasa labas ng equal. So, the square root of 9 ay 3. Okay? So, 3 is our radius. Nasundan po?
Okay, so now let's have another example. Example number 2. So we need to find the center and the radius of the circle.
Okay, so let's have another example. Example number 2. So we have 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 4x plus 18y equal to 7. So katulad ng ginawa natin sa previous example, we isolate yung mga magkaparehas ang kanilang variable. So, for this one, we have 2x squared minus 4x. Then, the other one ay 2y squared plus 18y equal to 7. Okay? So, now, tapos na tayong i-isolate yung x and y values. So, for the next step, okay, hindi po tayo agad-agad mangunguha ng third term. Bakit? Kasi kailangan yung x squared natin at saka y squared natin ay 1 lang ang kanilang value. So, paano natin tatanggalin si 2? Okay? So, para matanggal si 2, we need to factor it out. Okay? So, ilalabas natin ngayon si 2. Okay? Ilalabas ngayon natin si 2. Okay? Once na nalabas, okay? Ano naman ngayon magiging bago nating equation? So, ganito po. So, 2x squared divided by 2, may iwan lang si x squared. Okay? And then, negative 4x divided by 2 is equal to 2x. Okay? So, kung ano yung ginawa natin sa x, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa y. So, 2y squared divided by 2, we have y squared. Okay, plus 18y divided by 2 is equal to 9y. Okay? So, ito na po yung dalawa nating bagong equation. And then, pwede na po tayong hanapin or pwede na nating hanapin yung ating third term. Huwag nating kalimutan si equal to 7. Okay? So, pwede na nating hanapin si third term. Balikan po natin or puntahan natin middle term. Okay? Divided by 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Then 1 squared is equal to 1. Okay? So now, itong 1 po na ito, hindi pa po ito yung ating pwedeng i-add dito sa labas. Bakit? Kasi meron pa tayong number na finactor out, which is yung 2. So, anong gagawin natin sa dalawa? We need to multiply the third term and yung number na finactor out natin, and then the product, yun yung ating i-add dito. So, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So, yun yung ating i-add sa labas ng equal natin. Okay? So, tapos na tayo sa X group. Doon naman tayo sa Y group. Okay? Kung anong ginawa dito, the same lang din po dito sa Y. Okay? Tignan si middle term. Okay? So, 9 divided by 2 is equal to 4.5. Okay? 4.5 squared is equal to, so, tanggalin ko muna to. Di kakasya. So, we have 20.25. Okay? Ayan. So, yung 20.25 po na yon, hindi pa po yun yung ating i-add ulit sa labas. Okay? Since meron pa tayong number na naka-factor out doon. So, ang gagawin, multiply po natin ulit. Third term at saka yung number na finactor out natin. Okay? So, 20.25 times 2 is equal to 40.5. So, yun po yung sagot dito. Okay? Next step. Okay? So, simplify muna natin to. No? So, we have 7 plus 2 plus 40.5 is equal to 49.5. And then, let's rewrite naman ito. So, we have 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 2 times the quantity of y squared plus 9y plus 20.25. Okay. Ano kaya sa tingin niyo yung susunod? Okay. So, para ma-eliminate natin tong 2, okay, dito, ang gagawin natin is, we're going to divide both sides ng 2 para ma-eliminate si 2. Okay. So, maka-cancel na yan. Cancel. Cancel. So, let's rewrite kung alin yung matira. We have quantity of x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then, the other one plus y squared plus 9y plus 20.5. 25 pala, sorry. And then, we need to simplify this. So, 49.5 divided by 2 is equal to 24.75. Okay? Okay, so now, pwede na po nating i-transform itong equation na to into standard form. Okay, katulad ng ginawa kanina sa previous example, we're going to get the square root nung dalawang term natin. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung square root. So, square root of x squared. Siguro maglagay muna tayo ng open parenthesis. So, square root of x squared ay x. Copy the sign of the middle term, which is negative. Square root of the third term. Ito yung third term natin. So, positive 1. Or 1, sorry. Then, squared. Plus, open parenthesis. Square root of y squared is 1. Y. Copy the sign of the middle term, which is positive. Square root of the last term, which is 4.5. Then, squared. Equal to, kopyahin na lang natin to. So, we have 24.75. Okay? So, for this one, okay, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede na natin makuha yung value ng center at ng radius natin. Okay? So, let's say we have the center. Okay, so for the center, okay, again, ang laging kasama ni h ay si x. So, for this one, from negative 1, pag nilabas mo, magiging positive 1. Okay? Dito naman, yung k naman natin, laging kasama ni y. So, from positive 4.5, magiging negative 4.5 siya. Okay? So, this is our center now. And for our radius, okay, hindi pa rin ito yon. So, paano ulit gagawin? We need to find the square root ng 24.75. And the answer is 4.97. Nasundan po? Okay, very good. Question ko, ang radius po ba pwede maging negative? Hindi po pwede. Okay? Once na nag-negative po ang ating radius, ibig sabihin lang po nun, wala po tayong graph. Okay? Okay, so let's have another example.
Okay, for example number 3, we need to find the center and the radius of the circle.
Okay, so let's have example number 3. We have x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Okay? So, pagka ganito na po yung given natin, balikan natin yung ating standard form. Okay? So, pagka ganito po, agad-agad ma-identify na natin si center. Okay? So, center natin ay 0, 0. Kasi wala tayong i-isolate, wala tayong hahanapan ng third term, wala tayong hahanapan ng value ng x and y. So, ano na lang yung gagawin natin? Hahanapin na lang natin yung radius natin. Okay? So, paano? Again, dun sa mga previous example, anong ginawa natin? We just simply find the square root of nung nasa labas ng equal na number. So, we have square root of 16 ay 4. Okay? So, our center now ay 0, 0 and the radius is 4. Okay? Did you follow? Okay, very good.
Okay, so let's have another example. Example number 4. So we need to find the center and the radius of the circle.
Okay, so let's have example number 4. We have x squared plus y squared plus 12x equal to 0. Okay? So, let's observe the equation. Okay, as you can see, meron tayong dalawa dito magkaparehas ng variable. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong i-isolate. Okay, which is yung variable ng x. So, isolate na natin siya. We have x squared plus 12x. Then, ika-copy na lang natin si y squared. Then, 0. Okay. So, now, ano yung susunod? Okay. Yung susunod na step ay finding the third term. Okay. So, rewrite natin. So, 12x. Then, hanapin natin si third term. Copy natin si y squared. Then, equal to 0. Okay? Paano ulit kunin yung third term? So, puntahan natin si middle term. Divide natin siya sa 2. So, 12 divided by 2 ay 6. Then, 6 squared ay 36. Okay? Since nag-add tayo ng 36 sa loob, i-add din natin yung 36 sa labas. Since wala tayong ginawa dito, as is lang po siya. Okay? Then, simplify natin. So, 0 plus 36 ay 36. Okay? Rewrite na natin to. So, we have x squared plus 12x plus 36 plus y squared. Now, pwede na natin ito i-transform into the standard form. Okay? So, si y, as is lang po ulit, rewrite lang natin siya. Okay? Copy din natin si 36. So, ang gagawin na lang natin ng square root ay itong grupo ng x. Okay? So, square root of x squared ay x. And then, copy the sign of the middle term, which is positive. And then, square root nung last term natin, which is 6. Then, squared. So, this is our standard form na. Okay, now, so pwede na natin ma-identify ngayon yung center natin. So, our center now, from positive 6, magiging negative 6. And since wala ang kasama to, okay, wala tayong value ng k, it means 0 na po siya. So, the center now ay negative 6, 0. And, for our radius, okay, katulad ng ginawa natin sa mga previous example, kinuha lang din natin yung square root nung number na nasa labas. So, square root of 36 ay 6. So, this is now our radius. Okay, nasundan po ba? Okay, very good.
And for our last example, we have example number 5. You need to write the equation of the circle satisfying the given condition.
Okay, for example number 5, we have center negative 10, 8, and the diameter of 9. So, kung mapapansin nyo sa previous example natin, ang ibinibigay ko is equation muna, then we're going to find the center and the radius. So, for now, baliktarin natin. Hahanapin naman natin ngayon yung ating equation. Okay? So, first, dito tayo sa center natin. Okay, check natin. Unahin natin si x. Okay? Si x, ang laging kasama ni x ay yung h. So, for sa center natin dito, ang h natin ay ito. Okay, so h and k kasi yan, di ba? Okay, ang laging kasama ni h ay si x. Then, so negative 10 to, syempre opposite. Pag ibinalik natin yan sa loob, from negative 10, magiging positive 10 yan. Then, squared. Plus, okay, dun tayo kay y naman. So, si y naman, ang laging kasama niya ay si k. Okay, so for this one, ang k natin ay positive 8. Pag ibinalik natin yan sa loob, or yung opposite niyan ay negative 8. Then, squared. So, eto na yung center natin. How about naman yung sa radius? Since diameter ito, i-convert muna natin siya into radius. Okay? Paano? So, twice po kasi ng diameter ang twice pala ng radius ang diameter. So, 9. So, divide natin both sides by 2. Makakancel. So, may iwan na lang si r or si radius. Then, 9 divided by 2 is equal to 4.5. Okay? So, si 4.5 po is only the radius. Okay? Pag binalikan natin yung ating standard form, ang equation ng circle, naka-r squared po siya. So, paano natin gagawing r squared to? So, i-square root lang po natin si 4.5. So, si r squared ngayon ay 20.25. Okay? Since kompleto na tayo, pwede na natin silang pagsamahin. Okay? So, our equation now ay x plus 10 squared plus y minus a squared equal to 20.25. So, this is now the equation para dito sa center at diameter na ito. Okay, nasundan po ba? Okay, so that's all for today. So, thank you.